welcome back to the many video guys and my YouTube channel. Today guys we are going to talk about guys how can we turn off color inversion mode in our Tecno phone. Guys you have guys the same setting and guys you want to off this setting. So how can you turn off this setting in your Tecno mobile? In this video fans I will show you guys. So before starting video fan, first of all go and subscribe the channel, click the bell icon, like my video. So it's now time to start video fan how to off color inversion. So when first of all we will on our phone setting to off guys this color inversion mode setting. Then guys scroll it. Friends, you can see guys your phone special function setting in your Tecno phone. So guys tap here. Then guys again scroll and guys you can see accessibility tap here. Then again scroll and friends you can see color inversion mode setting. Guys tap here. This blue icon guys tap here to turn off your color inversion. So guys your color inversion will off. As you can see here everything is fine in your phone. Guys you can use your phone without this color inversion mode setting. So that's it guys. Thanks for watching. We will meet on next video. Bye friends. Before going please go and like the video.